Let's create a new blank project so we can do a little exploring in the Studio UI. We're going to create this project in our private projects folder, which simply means that the project will be stored on our own computer as opposed to storing it on a server. Let's call this Quick Tour Studio. As you can see, the new project loads in our workspace ready for editing. Let's take a look at one more project management tool before we explore the workspace. If you expand the File menu, one of the options is the Organizer. The Organizer is a one-stop shop for nearly all of your project management tasks within iRise. The left pane will display all of the projects stored in your computer. If you connect to the server, the right pane will display projects stored on your Definition Center. Within the Organizer, you can create new projects, duplicate or delete projects, and, as the name implies, organize your projects and folders. With the Definition Center interface, you can also upload projects to the server or check out a project for offline editing. Although iRise project data is not portable in its native format, you can export an iDoc file that contains all of your project's information and functionality. You can use iDocs to back up your iRise projects since they can easily be imported into Studio to create new projects. iDocs can also be opened and reviewed in iRise Reader, an essential feature if you'll be conducting offline stakeholder reviews. One feature that makes iRise such a powerful visualization tool is the ability to reuse assets across projects. Whether those assets are in an iDoc file or another project, importing them is a breeze. You can import all of the components within a project or target specific components. After import, the repurposed content will appear in the directory panel in a new folder. As you gain experience with iRise, you'll learn much more about reusable assets and project management, but what we covered here should be enough to get you started. Now, let's start building.